Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Shini. So in this video we're going to be trying out 5 different leggings with one top. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So before we start trying out the clothes, so this is the top I'm going to pair it with. You can use any top of your choice. So here is just an insight of what you can convert your clothes to. Okay, so all these leggings are the same but in different design and colors. So here are all the 5 leggings. From the beginning I've showed you guys the top. Okay, it can be any color, it can be any design, but I actually choose white because there is a lot of white design in those leggings. So now I'm going to start with the number 1. I'll be using this one to try it out. I've already gone ahead to wear the top, and here we are. So this is actually how the top looks like with this type of leggings, and when you look very closely you see that it actually match. There is blue on top of the white, and there is also down blue, so it actually look good. Okay, for me I would say that it's okay. You can pair it with white shoes or canvas or high heels, so it depends on your mood. Or dressing or fashion depends on where you are going, on your look and so forth. So actually this is a see-through, but you can actually put on some black panties or whatever your choice. So the next trouser is this one here. We're gonna be trying this one out again. This one actually have white on it, and it also fits with the white top that I selected, which says I love me. Of course I love me. Please pardon, my tummy is not yet flat. Okay, like majority of you always say you don't have a flat tummy. Okay, some months ago I had a new baby which is not even up to 7 months or 6 months. So here I'm still working on my tummy. When my baby grow, I'll work on it. So this is actually it. Then in this third leggings, this also has white. You can pair it with yellow. As you guys can see that it has yellow, it has blue, it has green, it has a lot of colors right there which you can pair it with. It depends. If you have yellow tops, it's okay. If you have blue, so you will never go wrong with the colors in your leggings. So it depends. If it's a leggings that have one color, then it all depends. Then the next one is this guy here. So actually this also have some yellow, some blue, like other ones. Okay, so you can, if you have brown legging tops, you can pair it with it. So like I said from the beginning, these leggings, they are all the same but in different designs. So all of them, you tie them like this. They all have where you can see through with your tummy, and which is absolutely beautiful with flat tummy. So here is the back. This is how the back looks like. It actually look great. Okay, I love it, and I can't wait to rock it once I grab my tummy back. So the final leggings we're going to be trying on is this one here. You can see this one also have white, it have different colors, so it depends on the one you can choose, or if you like it, then you can choose any top of your choice. So here is it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. Of course, I'll see you all in my next one. Remain blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye guys.